Hi guys, so this is going to be a video about how to fry a fish fillet. It's going to be a pretty universal concept. We're going to be working with some small turbot fillets today, but you could use what we're going to do here today with plaice, sea bass, bream, you know, you name it, a skin on fish fillet, you could apply it to that. So I'm going to hand over to Tim, who's going to talk you through some of the basics about getting the best out of pan-fried fish fillets.
Okay guys, nice and simple. Basis for any fish fillet is hot pan, bit of oil, straight in, skin side down, and just make sure that that flesh is well seasoned with salt. Okay, your pan's hot, ready to go. Straight in with your oil. You want to get that fish nice and seasoned. And you want to go straight in, skin side down. If your fish does start to curl, you can always use your spatula and just lightly press on the top. Get the pan turned down.
So Tim, if I'm a bit nervous about overcooking the fish, what am I looking for to know when it's ready to flip over?
So the fillet of the fish will give you all the clear signs. It's going to go opaque. It's going to look like it's cooked 80% through. And you just have to leave it in the pan to do its thing. Okay, so you can see your skin just underneath. That's starting to go crispy. It's now starting to look opaque. You can see the proteins coming out the side. This is a clear sign that your fish is probably about 2 minutes away.
This piece of fish, it's not too thick. It's a one portion fillet of fish. How long are we pan frying that skin down before we're going to flip it? Do you estimate?
It's going to be about 4 minutes. Okay, now you can see the fish is almost cooked all the way through. We're ready to turn it. So what you want to do is gently get your spatula just underneath, a bit of support on the fillet, just a gentle turn. Get that fish right over, and you just want to turn off the heat and just let that residual heat finish off the cooking of the fillet.
So what, for 2 minutes?
Yeah, a minute and a half, 2 minutes is perfectly fine.
Perfect.
Fish slice underneath, straight onto the plate.
And do you serve this skin side up or skin side down, or does it not matter at all?
You know, it's personal preference to everyone, but everyone wants to see that crispy skin, so I would always serve it up.
So that's your easy guide of how to cook any fish fillet in a frying pan. So some of the key things to remember from Tim.
Easy, hot pan, season, skin side down, 3-4 minutes, turn it over, off the heat, residual rest, good to go.
Boom, fish fillet, lovely. Cheers.